We are on Reddit and we have a guy who runs an agency. He says he's sending personalized code emails as a video editing agency and got zero responses. Please help. He's 17. When I was 17, I wasn't doing any business stuff, man. I was still in school. Those were the ages before social media. However, here's what he says. I run a video editing agency and I have sent about 100 personalized emails to YouTubers with 100 to 300k subscribers in a specific niche. Despite having a good website and portfolio, I've seen better results with Twitter cold messaging. Here's an example of one email I sent. Can I get any advice? So the subject line is we found issues affecting your channel's engagement, name of agency. Hey, I've seen your channel name and loved your recent video title. I noticed some issues with pacing and other minor problems in your videos. Slow or never pacing can make the video feel dull and lose viewer interest. We also saw that your shorts have some issues hindering their growth. Would you like to see some example of how we can improve your content? Check our previous clients here. Best regards, name, position, Twitter. Okay, so some things I would like to say before I read some Reddit comments. The guy has sent 100 personalized emails to YouTubers. So 100 personalized emails, this is not that much. He's targeting YouTubers from between 100 to 300k in a specific niche. So those people are getting a lot of messages like this. I'm a very small YouTuber. I'm much smaller than 100k subs, and I get at least one message for video editing services per day. And pretty much the message I got is exactly the same. We've noticed something wrong with your videos. Hire us to do your video editing. And this is pretty much every message I get. You have to think about the fact that those YouTubers, they get a lot of traffic, they get a lot of eyeballs, and they receive a lot of emails. So if you're competing for YouTubers, this size, you need to have a much better positioning and a much better offer. There is a lot of things that are wrong with your message. It sounds very vague, right? If I see I've seen your channel and loved your recent videos, right? Right? I know this is like a copy and paste templated message. If you want to send a personalized message, really try to make it personal to me. Go on my channel and watch a video. For example, in my latest video, I said that my wife gave birth to a child. So say in your opening line, congrats on being a father. I've been following your channel for a while. Something like this, say something genuine, because the moment I see this, even I receive at least one message per day that is similar to this. So it's not unique. So this guy says there are a few things wrong with this email. First, subject line is way too long, just sticks to what works. So this guy says that you should change the subject line to thoughts, quick question, quick one, question for channel name. Quick question is the most common subject line you're going to see in code emails. People use it because it works. So if you want to fix your code email, just go for it. Secondly, no one likes receives criticism. If I received an email, I would be thinking, who is... Yeah, okay. So this guy says that he's criticizing the YouTuber. Here, if you're speaking to like a YouTuber that has 100 to 300k subscribers, I'm pretty sure they know the mistakes they're making. I'm pretty sure that they know what's reducing the engagement, and those people are very, very experienced with video editing, with video in general, because to grow a channel to 100 to 300k, it takes a lot of skills, right? So when you say things like this and you're like unfamiliar to them, they always like just think about your credibility, right? If you can grow a channel to like 300k subscribers, why haven't you done it? So if you're so good with video editing, why don't you start a channel and just like do it for yourself? And this is the first kind of like obstacle I have when it comes to hiring a video editor through code emails like this, right? And this guy says a better way to frame this would be, I saw a few things we could potentially do to help you achieve without pain point. I recently relevant case study for some other YouTuber interested in finding out more. I create a short video explaining how I mind if I send it over. So I think this sounds like very similar to Alex Berman. So if you go on YouTube, Alex Berman, this is the guy, he is the king of code email. And if you follow his videos, you're gonna find out how to send code emails. And pretty much this guy suggests the same. I think he got it from Alex Berman because I was in some of his courses, right? Okay. We have some other comments. I think here the main problem is not how he structured the message, although I feel like pretty much when I open my inbox or when I open my Instagram page, a lot of people are sending me video editing, right? Video editing services. So if I'm a YouTuber and I have like 100K to 300K, probably I would have the money to hire a video editor. So video editing isn't something that I would pay money for. And I say this from YouTubers. So the way you could position your service would be, it could, because as a YouTuber, I struggle a lot with coming up with video ideas. You could say, we're gonna audit your channel. It could be audit for YouTube channels, right? For YouTubers who are stuck at, let's say, 100K, then we're gonna provide a plan like with 10 video ideas, right? Because I really struggle with video ideas. This is the thing I struggle with the most as a YouTuber. And once you execute these video ideas, we're gonna help you package them so they attract. And this is a completely different offer, right? This is a completely different offer. In one time, you sell a commodity, right? Video editing. In another thing, in the other way, you sell a YouTube audit, and you can position the YouTube audit in the code email immediately. You could be like, "Hey, Jonathan, congratulations on reaching 300K. Congratulations on buying the new Honda CR-V. It looks amazing. I feel like your channel, I feel like your content is way too good to be slept on. We could help you audit your channel and showcase you how we can get you from 100K to 300K. This is what we did for YouTuber in your niche. So if you're interested in a free YouTube audit, just let me know, right? And this is how you position your service, because here basically you're not asking for anything. Would you like to see some example of how we can improve your content? And then you have your website, and once people click on the website, and what do? They're just gonna scroll. So you wanna end up your email with a simple yes or no question. It could be like this: interested in a free YouTube audit, right? Mind if I share how we helped this YouTuber in your niche achieve this result in this time, right? So it's very, very simple, but you struggle with the positioning of your offer. You're selling a thing, and everybody is selling the same thing all over and over and over again. So if you want to be successful with getting clients with cold emails, it is extremely important to niche down, right? It is extremely important to position your offer in a more appealing way. It is extremely important to end the email asking for something that is yes or no question. It is extremely important to follow up. You just sent one email. You're talking to YouTubers. Those YouTubers are busy. So I believe you would benefit as well from following up to those people. One email won't cut it. You might be getting more success with Twitter, because Twitter is cold message, is like DMing, and you get an immediate response. But this is how I would fix your email for your agency. For example, if you have a good case study for a YouTuber who is in the gardening niche, try to send this case study to every YouTuber in the gardening niche, right? And then try to do it in a niche that's very, very similar. For example, what's similar to gardening, people interested in like flowers or whatever. I'm not sure what is like relevant. But start from like a very, very hot niche, reposition your offer. Is this the best way to reposition your offer? I don't think so. But I think there is a lot of truth to what I just gave you. If you need help in getting more clients for your agency, I believe cold email is a good way to do it if you don't have any money. However, if you have clients, if you are an established agency, the best way to go about it would be to run ads. If you need help setting ads for your agency and getting high ticket clients, check the links in the description below. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll talk to you soon.